So BOM usage means what? The BOM usage is allowed to create a separate BOM for various areas within a company. For example, engineering BOM, production BOM. Okay. So we are having a different types of BOM, and according to that, it is going to be used like for operation or production purpose. So it is called as a production BOM. The BOM which is created by engineering department people, and they are still working on it. It is not released for production. Okay. So sometime or same will going to be released also, but it is firstly used for engineering people where the BOM information is more technical. More technical means design, drawing, and everything. Okay. So have you seen if you have worked in CATIA, CAD kind of software? So they are also having an engineering BOM, which is talk about most drawings. Okay. So if you say header material, so if my header material is cycle, the cycle BOM will be there, combinedly big BOM. Okay. After that, if I go for the another component like cycle tire, so tire will have its separate BOM drawing. So that is called as the engineering drawing point. Okay, it is mostly about the component production engineering point of view and consists of the technical data. Okay, technical data like drawings information more. Okay, then we are having costing BOM. The BOM which is used for costing purpose, that is called as a costing BOM. Same production BOM can be used for costing, but suppose in your BOM there are multiple bill of material available. So out of which BOM you have to use for costing purpose. So that alternate BOM can be selected for costing only, and that is called as a costing BOM. Okay. Then there is a maintenance BOM, which is something different, which is used for suppose you are having some machines, and for that machine, suppose something product you have to require to suppose there is motor, so you should know which motor is there, what is the manufacturer of the motor. Okay, so if some this motor get breakdown, what from whom we should bring these. Okay, all this information available in a plant maintenance BOM. Okay, maintenance BOM of particular machine or equipment. Then finally there is a sales and distribution BOM, which is very much important. You might get a interview question. What is sales and distribution BOM? Okay, anybody have any idea? What is your understanding on sales and distribution BOM? Oh, first of all, are you clear with the production BOM, engineering BOM, everyone? It is very common. Akshay,
Yeah.
Bani, Sagar, Suraj.
Yes.
But what is the
So,
what is your understanding on sales BOM?
so I think, sir, we procure some. Sorry, we want to sell some orders. I mean, sell the finished product
Mhm.
with reference to the order that which we got from customers.
Okay.
So
Mhm. That is called a
in
sales BOM.
in in that, yeah, like we use we use those specifically
Mhm.
and create a special BOM for that.
Mhm.
Uh, use that for uh, I mean procurement and use that for procurement, and then we do it as part of production BOM. So basically, we get if we get orders from customer, then we take those orders. So in that orders, I think this sales BOM comes into picture. What I think.
Okay. Anybody would like to try? Good try, buddy.
The sales,
Mhm.
the sales bomb in which whatever the required component we will mention into the bomb, and whatever the quantity we will sell it. So that also we will consider it. Means in the sales purpose, if suppose the customer required that bomb, so in that whatever the common part number is there, it is mentioned, and the number of quantity of that parts, it is mentioned in the sales bomb. In detail, it is not there.
Okay. Good. Good. Guys, you are right, whatever you are trying to say, but understand whenever there is a sales order, every sales order, okay, according to that, there will be a different BOM can be created. You are right, but that is for then with a different functionality, and for that already the BOM is available. Okay, so we can have different alternate BOM, and according to that requirement, people can get the what do you say BOM available already. Okay, so this is not actually meaning of sales and distribution BOM. Let me try to help you out. Okay, anybody have purchased a car recently, a new car recently, or any bike? Or your any friend or colleague? Hello, Bunny, Akshay, Suraj, Sagar. So
No, sir, but we can
if you
think of it.
remember, if somebody has purchased a new car, the car is not having all the required accessories available. We have to update some accessories like floor mat or seat covers or steering cover or fog lamp. Okay, right? So imagine why we have to do, because the production BOM itself do not contain all these component as a part of BOM, right? And that is the reason whenever we received a car, new car, they might not have these all things, like even though wheel caps are not available in some base model, okay? Or some of the product are having where there is no components available. So we have to take them as an accessories. Okay? Getting my point?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when we are having a BOM which is separate, all while doing the distribution to the customer, additional components are added, then it is become sales and distribution BOM. Okay. Sure. I will give one more example. Suppose you are in a company manufacturing some XYZ component, but due to COVID, you remember everybody has to do work from home. So in that case, what happened? Your company give order of manufacturing to company like Dell, who is manufacturing laptop. They order them laptop company. Okay, we required 1,000 laptops. Okay, for our employees. These are the configuration something. And then they added one more point that people are now going to use most of the time meetings. Okay, so they should have headphones. So can you provide us a smart quality of headphones along with this? Now they'll say that we are in a laptop manufacturing. How we can give them sales phone? But it's a 1,000 pieces order, big order from very well-known company. So why to lose that? They say, okay, we will provide you. So what they did, they find out which is the best configuration of headphones for this their laptop. Like they go to Sony and they can have some proper good laptop. Okay, proper gears. Okay, or we can say proper headphones which are suitable for their laptop. They manufacture their laptop according to their bill of material. They simply procure these excess accessories of headphones, and while giving this distribution of this delivery of this product, okay, this laptop, 1,000 laptop, with one laptop they attach one headphone box, okay, and they send it to customer. Okay, so are you understand what is the mean by sales and distribution BOM? So in their production BOM there is no headphone, but in the sales BOM there is a headphone. Clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir. But
Yes, sir.
but the cost includes everything, right?
Yeah, finally cost is going to be included. So if you purchase a car and you say I want to had a door mat on that or I have floor mat, so accessories person is going to take extra cost from you. Or even though if you remember when you go to negotiate for a new car or new bike, they will say, okay, sir, we will give discount as accessories. Okay, so try to understand the cost is going to be there. Nothing is for free of cost. Okay, clear?
Yeah, like
Okay.
but this is a this accessories like these are all can be an optional waste kind of thing, so right?
See,
If
it
required,
is not optional. Okay, here whatever car accessories is one thing which is we can say it is optional. But here the second example you can see the manufacturing BOM is only for laptop. The but sales BOM is having additional product that is called as a headphones. Okay, so it is depends customer to customer. Okay, clear, Bunny?
yeah.
Every product
We
will have
can say,
sales BOM different. It is not required. Okay, so you are right. It is optional means what? Every product will not have a different sales BOM. They have common BOM. There is no something different. Okay, if you are selling material to foreign countries, okay, so you have to do some additional packing. You have to do some additional materials. I will extra things with them. So you might have to add them as an additional part or bill of material. Okay, something like that.
so we can say like that, whatever the material means, the base material is there. So that material, the particular company is what you can say, the extra material is there. So we can say like it's a sales BOM, sales and distribution BOM. Correct?
Not extra material, but the material which we are at the time of giving this to it customer, okay? So at that time, if you are going to add any additional components, so that is become your sales BOM. At the time of delivery to customer, if you are adding something extra, so then it's become your customer BOM or sales and distribution BOM. Clear? Okay. So we are going to create a BOM. Okay. Before that,
So it's not part of my production, but we use it while delivering. That's all.
that's true. That's true. That is very true. It is never be a part of your production. For production, you are production BOM, right? Okay. For
Yeah.
sales and distribution BOM coming in picture once your finished good is stored into warehouse, and now while doing the packing of this, then customer is saying, okay, I would like to have packing like this. Then at the time packing is changing, because the packing change, some additional material are getting added. So that is become your sales and distribution. Okay.
Yeah, it will be every time, sir, or the sales and distribution BOM is mandatory for every, or
I'm okay. What is the configuration of this BOM usage? Okay. So slash n OS20 is the T code. Slash O. Okay. So if you create BOM slash, so BOM usage, if you can see BOM usage over here. So there are different types of BOM usage. Production BOM. Okay, this is used with the production BOM. Okay, if you go to slash ncs01, so you have option. So you are having these options. So this is the configuration coming from this OS20 configuration T code. Okay. What is there? Production BOM, engineering BOM, universal BOM, plant maintenance BOM, sales distribution BOM. So what does it mean? So if you go over here, so you can see plus signature stands for required entry. Means if you are saying it's my production BOM, then it should be a plus entry over here. Okay. So what does it mean by dot? It is saying that it might be optional. Either you can maintain some entry over here or not, doesn't make any sense. In plant maintenance, you should say there is no entry. Means this BOM cannot be used for plant maintenance, but it can be used for engineering, but it can be used for, it cannot be used for sales. It can be used for only for costing. So based on that, you can restrict your BOM usage from different fields, either for production, engineering, or plant maintenance or something. Okay. Clear, team? So this is the configuration. So most of the time, whenever we are going to learn, we are going to talk about production BOM or universal BOM. So production BOM and universal BOM, both are almost common. Okay. So universal BOM can be used almost everywhere except the plant maintenance. Plant maintenance is totally different. Okay. So you can use the same BOM for production, engineering, spare planning, or you can use for sales, you can use for costing release, one BOM. So it is go with the universal BOM. The BOM, if you are selecting for production, it will go for production, engineering, spare, but not in maintenance, not in sales. It will go for cost release one time. Okay. So this is the BOM usage you can achieve with the T code OS20. Any question on this? Clear, everybody?
how system will validate, sir? Like just like how does system will validate like this?
So suppose you are going to use BOM. Okay, you have created a BOM 1. Okay, with BOM 1, and you are using that BOM for your costing purpose. CK11. Okay, that is costing table. At that time, it will throw error if it is not your production costing BOM. Okay.
Oh, okay, got it.
Something like that. Okay. That is a background application, so you don't have to actually bother around it. But sometime what happens, your customer will come to you and they will ask you one question. Okay, I require to create a BOM, but which should be only used for my costing purpose, not for any other. Okay, it should be only my costing BOM. It should not be used for production also. Any strange requirement can come from user for testing purpose. So you can create a costing BOM, say C BOM uses. So let me create. Okay. Copy. Okay. Now customer is saying I would like to have a costing BOM. So I will say this is my costing BOM. And they say that it can be only used for production and it is used for costing purpose only and not allowed for production also. That should not be used in production. Can you see? And but it can be allowed for sales. Can you see? Whatever changes is customer asking, according to you can put the restriction, and according to that you can achieve it. Clear? Clear? So you can have this reflected over here. Can you see? This is activated like this. So this is the configuration of your BOM usage or BOM application. Now,
So one question, like
Mhm.
as production planning, say, like PP guys, so we will create these all types of bombs, or relevant teams will create their relevant bombs. So
see, from PP perspective, first of all, as a consultant, you
yes,
never create a BOM. Okay, but who create a BOM? Either a super
it's a
user
supervisor or
or most of the company, 99.9%, the BOM will flow from engineering department. Okay, because they are the people who are creating BOM. So they send some Excel format properly. Suppose very companies organization is smaller, where they don't have PLM kind of software supporting to them. So in that case, they will prepare the BOM in CAD, CATIA or something, and that export that BOM in Excel format and send that Excel sheet to the super user who is going to create a BOM. And then he or she will create the BOM manually, which is going to be used for production purpose. Am I clear?
yeah, you're clear, but what about the costing bomb, or else whatever? What about the sales and distribution? Like, will it also be created by same department members, or
Yes. Because these people are, see, this is master data. There is some only responsible people should create it. Okay. Other people are not supposed to play on that part. Okay. So they will define
so,
this my sales BOM or production BOM. While creating, they will provide the usage. Okay. Suppose somebody asks, okay, I require a costing BOM. So that fellow who is having CS0 in authorization, he will get the requirement from finance team, and on basis of requirement of them, he will select over here. Okay, he will simply select here as a costing BOM, and he will create a BOM for them as per their requirement. Okay.
okay. The screens doesn't change, sir. It will be same screens.
Yeah, it is going to remain same. Laptop B14, suppose. So this MRP type is not supported for BOM. This is C. Now this is the error. What is saying? MRP type for not supported for BOM usage C.
Material type, sir.
Material type, right? So this material type is not allowed for this BOM. So where it is, how to find out this error? So there is a configuration. Okay, we go to SPRO. SAP reference IMG. If you go to logistics, okay. Not a logistics, my bad. We have to go to production, basic data. Then we have to go for bill of material, and the bill of material we have to search for control data. General data, here we have BOM usage. Okay, define material type allowed for BOM header. Okay, so what is this material for which we
Yeah.
have material type is what? Laptop B14 FG FERT.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
but for
we have
C
not
we have not
added the
maintained.
BOM
Yeah.
usage.
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Yeah.
have to go for new entries. Okay, BOM usage C, material header type. I will say FERT. Okay, allowed. Then I will go for C, HALB half allowed, and I will save it. Enter indicator.
Indicator, yeah. Plus.
Yeah, it's a plus. Sorry, here is plus. Okay, now we did the configuration. Now if you go back one step, you can see now for FERT and this materials are allowed. Now if you go over here and again enter, it will allow you. Then same screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though you are
Like
creating
there will be some dependent configuration as well. Based on that only, that's all it
this
will
is
work
only
on.
dependent configuration, right?
Yeah.
This is only one
Yeah.
configuration we are
Yeah.
supposed to do. If you miss
Okay.
configuration, system will throw error. No worries. I hope it is clear.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. So now going for